Sooner Scoop HD.
Always has been and always will be about the players. This is a home that y'all have built. I want to take a moment. I want to show them the love and the appreciation for these guys, their work, their belief, their commitment to making this the best program in all of college football. So what we gonna do, we gonna get a photo. A picture is worth 1,000 words. And we getting ready to get us a team photo. Okay? Oklahoma at its finest. Let's go right here. We'll be facing this way. Get your cameras out. Get in here, tell me what. Bring it in. Bring it in around here. Bring it in around here. Oklahoma! Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The fair catch is made in the end zone. Gaining 9 yards on the play to the 49-yard line, brings up 2nd and 1. Handoff goes to Javante Barnes, number 2. Making the tackle is number 23, Dillon, the white squad. 1st and 10 for the Red. Number 10, Dillon Gabrield. Touchdown, Red Team. 10-yard touchdown.
I saw him yesterday.
For the white squad, Dillon Gabrield, the quarterback. Passes complete to number 12, Brent Venables. Making the tackle with 10 on the play to the 28-yard line. Makes a 2nd and 7. Handoff comes to Eric Gray, number 0. Making the tackle is number 18, Tiki.
Heisman student is getting hooked up with that Phillips 66 gas card.
Eric Gray, the ball carrier. Gain of 4 yards on the play, brings up 2nd and 6 from the 36. Pass was intended for Gillette, number 3. Play makes it 2nd and 3 from the 47. Owen Field holds it down to the 4-yard line. He was under there by Sheriff Kelly. Pass is incomplete. Intended for Houston. 4th and goal from the 6-yard line.
What are you talking about?
Frank.
Pass is complete to Marvin Pence. There's a penalty marker on the play. White team beginning from the 34-yard line, 1st and 10. Dillon Gabrield, the white team quarterback. Pass is complete to Stoops, number 12. Bumping off the play with a couple of hundred punch. Runs the ball carrier all the way down to the 40-yard line. He was tackled there by Kenai Walker. Touchdown, Red Squad. That's a 3-yard touchdown run by Javante Barnes. Dillon Gabrield, the white team QB. Pass is intercepted by Kendall Tennis, number 21. He returns it to the white team, 34-yard line. Touchdown, red team. 3-yard touchdown pass, Dillon Gabrield to Owen Field. Gained 21 yards on the play. Pass is complete to number 9, Brent Venables. Making the tackle, David Harvey. Noah Rinsley. And out goes to Tommy Walker, number 25.
Playoff coverage.
The 10-yard line. 2nd and 8. Touchdown, red team. 10-yard touchdown run by Tommy Walker. First and 10 for the red team. Play is called 10 over the Scrimmage. 2nd and 3. Quarterback sack.
Signed earlier.
Track and field has 3 event groups that are number 1 in the nation right now. Baker Mayfield.
President Ken Harris, Athletics Director Tracy Steve Leon, Coach Ross Stoops, fellow Heisman winners.
To my family, love you guys. There were times
that move. You guys made sacrifice after sacrifice, just like chasing my dreams. Wouldn't be here without you. Love you.
It blows my mind. It's unreal, it's so surreal. I have a ton of former teammates, obviously my family here, so many people that allowed me to chase my dreams and left the footprint on my life so that I could live out those dreams for real. Josie, Bob allowed me to come here and be the best version of myself. Before that, I had my family supporting every step of the way. And we talked about that, and it was pretty crazy that it happened. We were a part of Sooner Nation because of how you guys loved us. And we were very appreciative of that. It's great to be down here with former winners and newer winners. The first ever autographed item I got from a former Oklahoma player, got in the mail from Tinker Owens. He sent his autograph, and also Steve Owens' autograph. Sitting down here with you is pretty special. It's full circle. Watched Jason White growing up. I mean, I thought I was going to be a running back, but I was wrong. So, okay, it's just this legacy that I was able to live out here and create. I'm so thankful for my guys, the people that impacted me, know how I feel about them. I love everybody that helped me out so much. I'd take a bullet for them, and I mean that. Love you guys too. I will say this place is headed in the right direction. I got to talk to Brent yesterday for about 30 minutes alone in his office. I was ready to run through a wall. We're back. We didn't have lunch, but we're back. It was pretty special to have this place back like this for a moment like this. I know it's very rare. Thank you guys so much for coming out and let me live out my dreams. I love Sooner Nation, but we have another celebration next year. Thank you guys. Love all of you guys up here. Thank you. Boomer!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your 2017 Heisman Trophy winner, Baker Mayfield. Best Owen Field advantage in all of college sports by securing your seats for football and men's and women's basketball today. The quarterback is Micah Boyes. To kick the extra point. Owens on the keeper. He's gone down to the 29-yard line.
Sooner Scoop HD.